Hi everyone, welcome to my classroom moment. You know, I'm just thinking out aloud. That's why I'm pacing to and fro my classroom section. Have you ever gone to the market before and what? Shortchanged. Have you ever given somebody 1,000 naira note and bought an item or commodity or a product worth 500 naira and was given 200 or even 100 naira and you went home without bothering? Maybe as a child, you never knew you were shortchanged until you got home and was spanked by either your parents or your guardian. And they said, who gave you 100 naira for a commodity worth 500 naira when you gave them 1,000 naira? So tell me, has that ever happened to you before? Maybe in the past it must have happened, but currently I'm so certain, like I can vouch for you 101%. I mean, on a scale of 1 to 10, I can vouch for you on a 10 that you haven't been shortchanged recently, or rather, would I say you will never be shortchanged? You know why? Because you know your numbers. Welcome to my classroom moment. So, all those illustrations was to get your mind up on a very vital topic in French language, and that is les nombres, numbers. Yes, the same way you know your numbers in English language, and the same way nobody can change you because you have a vast knowledge of numbers in English language. That is the same way it is important for you to know your numbers in French language. And just in case maybe you go for vacation in any of the Francophone country, Paris, oh, I love that country. Maybe I need to go for a shopping spree or get something for yourself. How would you know if you are shortchanged or not if you don't know numbers? And so that is why we are here today. Okay. So, I mean, numbers always till infinity, but just few of these with what we'll be looking at today. The numbers. So, 1, UN, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. Hope you're taking note of how they are spelled in French language. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6. Same way it's spelled in English language. It's the same way it is spelled in French language. And just observe the similarity in their pronunciation. 7, set. You have to know something here. I'm trying to circle, I'm currently circling this P consonant. I hope I do it without messing up this. So I circle this P consonant because this P is silent. It is spelled as, 7 is spelled as S-E-P-T in French, but it is pronounced set. The P is silent. 8, wheat, just like your wheat in English language. Your W-H-E-A-T. Those are love their okra with sweet. It is spelled here H-U-I-T, wheat, but it is pronounced wheat. That's why I use the example of your wheat, your W-H-E-A-T in English language. 8, wheat. 9, neuf, 9, neuf.